This Revit API video from Boost Your BIM shows how to randomly select materials and apply them, in this case, to curtain wall panels in your Revit model. As you can see, running this macro will randomly set colors of these curtain panels using any of the glass materials defined in the project. The inspiration for this sample came from a recent blog post at Philosophy in BIM. In their case, to use some off-the-shelf commands, they had to create some relatively complicated parameters and formulas inside the curtain panel family. Instead, I'll show you how, by doing some custom API programming, we can do this quite simply. To start, I've loaded into the wall a curtain panel family that has material as an instance parameter, and I've created a set of materials using the glass type and applied different colors to each one. Now, in the Revit API, we start off by getting a list of all of these glass materials with a simple filter for all materials and a query on material class. Then we run our for each loop over all family instances that are a member of the curtain wall panel built-in category. We get the material parameter for that family instance, and then we generate a random number. To generate a random number in a loop like the one we're in right now, we use the C# random constructor and need to pass into it what's called a seed value to seed the random number generator. To pass in a unique value into this seed, we'll use the new GUID method, which will produce a long and unique hexadecimal number, and then call getHashCode to convert this hexadecimal number into an integer, which is what's needed by the randoms constructor. Finally, we use the next method and specify the range of values that can be used. In this case, our range will be from 0 to the count of the number of materials in our list. Finally, we use this random number to select a material from our enumerable using the element@at method. This will select an element from the enumerable at the specified position. We use that to get the material's ID and then set the material parameter accordingly.